I would say app mentions, because I can easily app mention someone, assuming I somehow have Wi-Fi or mobile data on this island. I can app mention someone and hopefully get them to come and help me, or I can app mention an entire team and hopefully get them to come and help me.
It's the / command, because it's like a multi-tool. It's essentially like a Swiss Army knife in the Confluence editor, where you just click / and then you have all the macros and tools at your disposal. So maybe that's cheating, because it's like, I just get everything in one. But I think that is what would help me the most.
I think it would have to be embedded media elements. That way I could watch different videos, movies, interact, just have something to kind of keep me entertained a little bit on the island.
They're the easy ones, which is like anything messaging related, so that I could, notify someone. So I think notifications of changes is probably the feature I would want.
Have to be collaborative editing, because in that way I wouldn't feel so alone, and I could chat and sync and problem solve with my teammates to get me out of there.